Hello customer, this is our refrigerator system. Our refrigerator system composed of solar panel. Solar panel collects sunlight and convert into electricity. That electricity flow through the wire into the controller, which charge the battery based on its capacity. The stored electricity power the fridge. It's allowed to operate it. Our fridge has two compartments. One is for cooling, another is for freezing. We also have different types of fridge. We also offer a small fridge. It's easy to move from one place to another place. If you are interested in our product, you can contact with us. We will provide this product to you. Thank you.